So today I talked about one of my favorite topics, talked about inspectional readiness for FDA. And so I talked a little bit about what to expect before we show up, what to expect during our inspection, and how to respond when we find issues within that inspection. So really talked a lot about how to prepare and how to be prepared for when we knock on the door. I also covered a lot of metrics that we have, talk about the number of inspections we do, the number of 483s that we issue in a year, and also talked about some of the warning letters FDA issues in fiscal year 23, actually. There's a lot of different trends in the industry. Obviously, ever since COVID happened, we've started to see a lot more decentralized clinical trial technology being used, whether it's a full decentralized trial or whether we have hybrid trials such as you go to a hospital, a brick and mortar facility to get testing done, and you do some additional testing at home via home health devices. We're seeing a lot of hybrid trials happening right now. So we're starting to do a lot of those inspections now that those clinical trials that were done during COVID are now coming to fruition in applications that are before the agency right now. So that's a little bit harder. So with us being the government, we're obviously not on the forefront of technology and things like that. But we work with several nonprofit organizations such as SQA, ACRP, SOCRA. We work with them a lot to help develop training classes for our investigators, as well as working with them on training classes for industry, for us to provide information to them. We also work with several organizations that are for-profit companies that may be selling different software that are used out in industry. We ask them to come in and do training for our investigators so that they know what to expect before they see that piece of software out in industry.